What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to Stelly Grills and Chills, and today we're doing Sloppy Joe's, a real quick, easy recipe for everybody to do on a weekday, and oh so tasty. But anyway, let's get it. And oh yeah, don't forget to give me that LSS. That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. And hey, hit that notification bell and become part of the LSS family, y'all. Because every time you come on this channel right here, we always gonna have something tasty on tap for you. So of course, the first thing we gotta do is just get our ground beef into a pan. Now I'm using cast iron skillet today. You use whatever pan you got, and then we gonna get our onions in, and we gonna give that a quick mixy mix, incorporating them onions and that ground beef together. Now the whole reason that we got our onions in so quick, cause we want those onions to take on that beef flavor, y'all. That beef flavor, you can't beat it when you get them incorporated into the onions. And this is what it should look like when you get it all mixed together. Browning in good and looking good. Now next we gonna add in a can of tomato paste. And we gonna give that a mix. Mixing it around as best as we can before we add our water. Now once we get this mixed in pretty well, you know you ain't gonna be able to get it perfect because it's dry, y'all. We gonna go ahead and add in a cup of water, y'all. Cup of water. Now this is 2 pounds ground beef. I don't know if I mentioned that earlier. And we gonna give this a quick mix. Incorporating that water with that tomato paste. Now once we get everything all incorporated, we're gonna add a tablespoon of onion powder, a tablespoon of garlic powder, and a quarter cup of sugar, and a couple tablespoons of oregano and basil also, y'all. Which I didn't get on camera, but hey, it happens, y'all. It happens. So we gave that a good mix, gave it a taste, and once I gave it a taste, I added a little bit of salt. But other than that, we was ready. So I went on, got my buns right on top. Let them simmer for a minute just to get a little moisture on them. And got them off. And it's time to build that sandwich, y'all. Time to build that sandwich. Added me a little cheddar cheese. Got that Sloppy Joe mixture right on top. And added that top bun, y'all. And of course, you know I had to have me some fries with mine. And I had to give me a bite right quick, y'all. And look at that Sloppy Joe. And I guarantee you, if you try this, it's gonna be so tasty, y'all. So tasty. But anyway, love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.